transforming 2D diagrams to a 3D digital twin with Allseated Vision and Vision Plus. With Allseated's virtual tour technology, floor plan diagrams can be taken to the next level through Allseated Vision and Vision Plus. In this tutorial, we will discover just how easy it is to bring your event layout to life. First, select Add New Floor Plan and select the Venue Floor Plan option. Select the floor plan that has a Vision or Vision Plus label next to it. Lastly, provide a floor plan name and select Done. Using the tools and features from Ops, create your desired layout. At any point throughout your diagramming process, you can view your progress in a 3D format. To do this, select the 3D button located in the top right-hand corner of the viewing window. With Allseated Vision Plus models, you will be viewing your model in the bird's eye view first. Select the walking person icon located in the top left-hand corner to view the model in first-person view. With Allseated Vision models, you will now be viewing your model in the first-person view first. To move around your space, utilize the arrow icons located in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen or the arrow keys on your keyboard. You can also move your virtual head to turn by holding down your mouse and dragging your cursor in the direction you would like to move. Located in the top left-hand corner, the top toolbar offers you 3 tools to enhance your virtual tour experience. First, you can showcase the table numbers in 3D by selecting the first tool, the number tint. Second, you can move between bird's eye view and first-person view. The last tool in the top toolbar, the image quality, can be adjusted to match internet speed. If you are interested in Allseated Vision or Vision Plus for virtual tours, please connect with sales@allseated.com.